and Deb. Today we're driving 65 kilometres south of Cairns to the Boulders in Babinda.
We're now at Babinda Boulders. Babinda Boulders is one of my most favourite places in Australia. It's beautiful. So when we're walking down here, I'm expecting to see crystal clear waters. Might be a bit chilly, but if it's alright, we'll go for a swim.
Oh, you got two big flies. Wait. This is how big the flies are.
The marsh flies.
Up here. And they friggin' sting too. I should have left them on your back. Now they'll bother me.
Nah, too cold.
Nah, we're going in.
We're going in?
Yeah.
I'll follow you then.
Okay. Get a load of this place. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So behind us there's the cascades running. The water is clear as.
And further down that way, towards east, you get to the rapids, and we're going to get out of here and we're going to walk down to the rapids and have a look. That's where you hear of a lot of people losing their lives.
Yeah, so that's a fun place to be, Al.
Yeah, we're not going in though, we're just going to have a look. Yeah.
So anyways, for now, I'm really happy just staying here for half the day.
Yeah, this is beautiful, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Like, this is what you come to Cairns for, to see places like this, Babinda.
Yeah.
The boulders at Babinda.
Yeah. To live up here as a kid. We used to come up here to the boulders, and this track that we're walking on down to the lookout points wasn't really a track like this. It was more of a dirt track, and used to go down to where the lookouts are, and there weren't any lookouts, but there used to be hundreds of people down there swimming.
Yeah, I remember coming up as a kid and it was puffed out and saw the rapids.
Yeah, it's just people everywhere swimming. So it's changed. It's good to see that it's only lookouts now. It's not only protecting the environment, but this place is well known for people drowning every year. So it's saving lives. Still not a fan of the hills.